Login failed on SimpleTax Wealthsimple Tax Fix. You tried to log into SimpleTax, now known as Wealthsimple Tax, and suddenly login failed. It's annoying, especially when you just want to access your tax return. But don't worry, this issue is easy to fix once you know what's causing it. First, check how you're logging in. Wealthsimple allows users to sign in with email, Google or Apple accounts. If you created your account with a Google or Apple login, make sure you're using that same option. Many people accidentally try to sign in with their email password instead, which doesn't work. If you're entering your credentials manually, double-check your password. It's case sensitive, and even one wrong character can cause a failure. If you've forgotten it, tap Forgot Password and Wealthsimple will send you a reset email. Remember to check your spam folder if you don't see it. If your credentials are correct, the issue may be temporary cache or cookies. On your browser, clear your saved data and cookies, then refresh the page. On mobile, open your phone settings, find the Wealthsimple app, and clear its cache or data before trying again. Next, ensure your app or browser is fully updated. Outdated versions can block access when Wealthsimple updates its backend systems. Visit your app store and install any pending updates. Also, check your internet connection. VPNs, proxies, or corporate networks sometimes trigger login security filters. Disable them and try logging in on a personal Wi-Fi connection. If you're still getting the login failed message, it might be on their side. Wealthsimple occasionally performs maintenance during tax season, temporarily limiting access. Waiting a few minutes usually resolves it. So next time your Wealthsimple tax login fails, don't panic. With a few quick fixes verifying your login method, clearing cache, and updating your app, you'll be back reviewing your return in minutes.